Ever wanted to create a simple game with Python? In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of building a flying bird game, using the ursina game development library. Let's start by importing the ursina library. Then, we create the ground entity. We'll keep it simple with cyan color. Next, we set up the sky entity. Afterward, we create a bird animation using a texture sequence. We proceed by setting up the orthographic camera. Then, we implement a simple up and down movement for the bird. Finally, we create the ursina window with a title and color, and run the application. Here's your basic bird game. Feel free to add more movements and entities to enhance it further. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your thoughts in the comments.